If you want to sell digital products online, three platforms you'll often see are Payhip, Gumroad, and Shopify. But they're built for very different types of creators. Let's break down which one is actually better. So Payhip is designed specifically for selling digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, and memberships. It's beginner friendly and even offers a free plan with about a 5% transaction fee. Some of its pros: built-in storefront and course player, coupons, affiliates, and memberships, and lower fees than Gumroad. However, it has limited built-in traffic and fewer advanced e-commerce features. Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms to start selling digital products like ebooks, art, and software. It has no monthly fee, but charges around 10% per sale, which can get expensive as you grow. Some of its pros: extremely simple setup, built-in discovery marketplace, and good email and creator tools. However, it has higher transaction fees and limited store customization. Shopify is a full e-commerce platform that can sell both digital and physical products. It has a monthly fee, but gives you a full customizable online store and thousands of apps. Some of its pros: full online store builder, massive app ecosystem, and best for scaling brands. However, it has a monthly subscription required and setup is more complex. So which one is better? Payhip is best for cheap, simple digital product stores. Gumroad is best for creators starting from zero, and Shopify is best for building a full e-commerce business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.